your original drawing, your favorite OC, or even a photo of yourself, your friend, or your dog, because why not? Now imagine dropping them straight into an animated scene. No fancy editing, no complex software, just upload, describe, and let the AI do the rest. That's exactly what we are doing today with Hailuo 01 subject mode. Let's go! What's subject mode? So subject mode is all about making one specific character the star of your video. You upload an image, doesn't matter if it's a drawing, avatar, or a real person. The AI takes that, places them into a scene, and animates based on your prompt. Pretty cool, right? Uploading your character or yourself. Let's test it out. First, I will upload this sketch of my character. And just to show you it works with real people too, I'm gonna also try this pic of me looking mysterious or awkward. Depends how you see it. Writing a killer prompt. Now the secret sauce. Your prompt. The AI isn't gonna magically guess what you want, so be specific. For my drawn character, I will type a young warrior walks through a misty forest, gripping their sword, eyes scanning the horizon. For my real person image, I will try a person stands on a rooftop at night, wind blowing through their hair, looking down at the neon city below. See how I'm setting the mood and describing the motion? This is what makes the AI work. It's magic. Generating the animation. Okay, let's hit generate and boom. My warrior is in action and there I am, standing like I belong in a futuristic movie trailer. This is wild. So where can I use this? What can you do with this? So many things. First, animate your original characters for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Create short animated clips starring you. Yes, you can turn yourself into a dramatic anime protagonist. Bring fictional figures to life in a creative way. Make gifs and reactions of yourself, of your friend. Or if you are like me, make your dog the main character of an epic fantasy scene. Pro tip. If your animation feels stiff, try describing actions in phrases. Instead of character moves, say character takes a deep breath, then turns sharply, eyes narrowing in focus. The more cinematic your prompt, the more dynamic the result. And that's how you turn any character or even yourself into an animated star in just a few clicks. Try it out, go wild with your ideas, and drop a comment who's the first person or character you are bringing to life. I wanna see what you create. And while you are at it, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one!